Hi guys, my name is Ron Wells, and here I am showing a little bit about myself and what I'm doing right now specifically. I'm actually trying to create a device that can help me calculate the superheat and subcooling temperature on a regular residential AC unit. And I realized there's a lot of products out there that are too expensive, so I figured I'd go ahead and create a device myself. Um, and this is how it's actually done. This particular device is nothing but a shell at this particular point, and as you can see, what I started doing is um, I basically got this little case over here, and essentially what I'm doing is I'm gonna be hooking up this particular device to my air conditioner, the central air unit, and it consists of multiple components. And so one of the components is obviously a transducer, which you see over here, and that's what gets hooked up to the actual air conditioner unit. And I'm gonna have another one of those transducers as well. I have over here my little AC analyzer OLED LCD, and that was my multimeter beeping. But anyway, the bottom line is what I'm doing, I'm actually using Arduino Uno to grab information from temperature sensors and reference that information on OLED LCD over here with my logo over here. I put binary fusion in here, and essentially what it does, it transfers the information such as the temperature, as which you could see. You can actually see the temperature over here that's happening, that is collected from this particular probe, and this probe over here is connected through this clamp. So what I'm doing right now, I'm actually creating a prototype device that will have a wireless transmitter, and it will be connecting to another unit with similar size but smaller, and one unit will be upstairs in a garage, I mean actually in an attic, collecting temperature and sending that information wirelessly across to this unit over here, which is going to be connected to the air conditioner. And I'll use all sorts of formulas, mathematical formulas, to go ahead and translate a refrigerant, R22 refrigerant that's in a residential system, to provide me with the proper type of heating and subcooling and superheat information, all in real time. So this is going to be actually pretty cool. As you can see, I'm actually gathering this temperature right now directly from this clamp, and this particular clamp is I'm actually gonna have two of those clamps, and it will be part of that device that I'm building right now. So this summer I took an initiative to go ahead and repair my air conditioner, and that didn't work out so well. I'm still working trying to repair it, but yeah, for whatever reason the air conditioner is not cooling, and I started buying all sorts of devices, all sorts of things to help me repair the air conditioner, because I didn't want to spend $10,000 on you know, getting air conditioner replaced. So I decided to take an initiative and learn the entire HVAC industry real quick. It took me about 3 to 4 months, maybe 5 I would say at this point, but yeah, and then I sort of got carried away and wanted to create an electronic device that combines Wi-Fi, temperature sensors, pressure, and whole bunch of things in one particular device, and centralize it by interconnecting wirelessly another device to that will get the temperature from the evaporator handler unit on in my attic, and then relate that information wirelessly to this particular device outside, which is my AC unit. So that's the plan, that's the idea, guys. I'm simply creating a little device, and So far, I guess it's going well. I did get a bunch of parts, variety of parts. As you can see, I got a 4.7K resistors, about 100 of them, although I only actually needed one, but um, you know, it comes with a bundle. Then I got this Explorer unit. This is basically a chip, XB chip, that allows me to connect wirelessly, and that particular chip is going to be inside of my wireless unit. Then I got a bunch of other little things. This is actually, you know, jacks, 3.5 millimeter jacks, the same type of jack that you would use to plug in your phone, iPhone. Well, not the latest phone, but you know, the phone that used to have 3.5 millimeter jack. But anyway, the bottom line is there's a lot of different parts, and it's easy to get lost and get carried away in programming. As you can see, I got the screen over here. I'm just programming the temperature, and in fact, I got this little, you know, soldering iron, right? So this is it. I got this hooked up to the USB, and essentially what I'm going to do, I'm going to raise this temperature of this particular clamp. So right now, as you can see, it's at 23.12 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and connect this soldering iron, and as you can see, the temperature is going up. So what I'm essentially using is thermistor, combined with thermocoupler spring mechanism with escape type connector that simply snaps together to the pipe. And as you can see, it's still going up. This soldering iron is quite hot. So yeah. Anyway, that's my little preview, guys. But yeah, I actually gotta go breakdance after this. But yeah, I'm gonna be keeping my progress posted on Facebook Live and probably my channel in Google Plus. Feel free to check it out at plus the whatever. I'll give you the URL later. But yeah, peace out.